Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add music from library on RedNote. So if you also want to add music from library on RedNote, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open RedNote application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, RedNote application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So in order to add the music from library, first of all, you'll have to post something. In order to post, simply tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to select the photo or video that you want to post. Simply tap on the photo or video you want to post. Now after that, you can also add other videos and photos if you want. After adding all the photos and videos, simply tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to see the music. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here at bottom, you'll be able to find several options for music. At first, you'll be able to find the option for library. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, library will be opened. Now you'll be able to add the music from library. You can see the options over here. You'll be able to find the option for discover. In this interface, you'll be able to find several musics over here. If you tap on the option my collection, you'll be able to add the music from your collection. Likewise, if you tap on the option local music, you'll be able to add the music from your device. Likewise, if you tap on the option import audio, you'll be able to import the audio from any videos from your device. So you can select any process of your choice. Here I'm just going to add the music from local music. Simply tap on the music you want to add. Now you can see over here that particular music has been added from library. Now you can go ahead and post this video or photo. So that is how you add music from library on RedNote. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.